Japanese beetles are here, and here's their damage. And as you can see here, they pretty much chewed this canna leaf in this area right here. They attack over 300 species of plants. They have chewing mouth parts. Again, they're big eaters. So how do you control Japanese beetles? There's a couple of things you can do here. One, I would get a bucket of warm soapy water and just knock them in. Or I would use something like horticultural oil or neem oil. Now, there are some other products that you can use, but those products are what I consider to be heavy pesticides like bifenthrin. So if you want to protect those pollinators that are out there, I would use the oils or just get you a bucket of warm soapy water and just knock them in. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.